The Wall Street Journal regularly publishes an article entitled The Count. In one article, The Count looked at 1,000 randomly selected home runs in Major League Baseball, complete parts A through D below. Of the 1,000 home runs, it was found that 85 were caught by fans. What is the probability that a randomly selected home run is caught by a fan? So just imagine you've got 1,000 home runs and 85 of those were caught by fans. Then how likely are we? We're going to take the number of successful outcomes, this 85, and divide it by the total. So 85 divided by 1,000, and you'll get 0.085. Of 1,000 home runs, it was found that 282 were dropped when a fan made a legitimate attempt to catch the ball. What is the probability that a randomly selected home run is dropped? Very similarly, we're going to take 282 divided by 1,000, the number of successful outcomes divided by the total. And you'll get 0.282. Part C, of the 85 caught balls, it was determined that 30 were barehanded catches, 48 were caught with gloves, 7 were caught in a hat. What is the probability a randomly selected caught ball was caught in a hat? And let's interpret this probability. And let's check on rounding here. We've got type an integer or decimal rounded to the nearest thousandth. So thousandth is 3 decimal places. Okay, so what is the probability a randomly selected caught ball? So our total is what? 85. So we got 85 were caught in a hat, so that's 7. So 7 divided by 85 is 0.082. Okay, so we're saying which one of these is it going to be? So if every home run's going, we expect exactly. Probabilities, we're not going to have exactly, right? We're expecting about. So we're going to be right in here, 0.082. So for every 1,000 home runs caught by fans, we expect about how many? About 82 of those to be in a hat. So of the 282 drop balls, it was determined that 214 were barehanded attempts, 57 were dropped with the glove, and 11 were dropped with a failed attempt. What is the probability a randomly selected drop ball was a failed hat attempt? So we're going to look at the number of successful outcomes. We have 11 over the number of total, which is 282. So 11 over 282 on the calculator, we get 0.039. Still rounding to 3 places, yep. And so that means for every 1,000 home runs dropped, that's different than this 1,001 here. So for 1,000 home runs dropped, we expect about 39 of those to have been failed hat attempts. So I hope that helps.